Well, here we are, 1 week later since the last Pigpen video. I just finished up raising this up a bit more and putting it on some posts, temporary posts out here, outboard of the siding. Before I had some cinder blocks and old barn timbers and so forth underneath the edge, but I needed to move them out of the way so that I could frame the floor underneath, and that is where we're at here now. So we've got a nice clear area underneath to do that work. So tomorrow I will move out the things I have stored inside and go ahead and place some timbers, some skids underneath, which the floor joists will end up being attached to. So it's a slow process, but it's okay. I'm enjoying myself, and looking forward to the final result that will happen eventually.